I'm Elli from Gone Gypsy. My faithful psychic Stratty and Abby will be around later, but today I wanted to talk to you. People are so locked up inside themselves these days, they don't get out into nature enough or spend enough time with their families. Even children have so much pent-up stress. There are so many electronic devices in our lives, people end up having more electronic adventures than real-life adventures. We live in a beautiful country, rocky cliffs that back onto beaches, rainforests that'll take your breath away. I mean, look at these snow-capped mountains, like something from a postcard. Deserts you'd die if you tried to walk across. You get this feeling when in nature because we were never built to live in cities. We're built to enjoy a beautiful sunset. We're built to enjoy the cold, the fresh air and the snow. But don't get caught out in the rain. It's a rock! We were made to live here. Here. And here. Here at Gone Gypsy, we're embracing a minimalist lifestyle while we travel on a permanent basis. On this channel, we'll show you all that we learn about traveling and camping, the places we visit, and what gear we use on our adventures. We'll never suggest you take up our lifestyle. It's not for everyone. We do want people to benefit from our journey so you can all have better adventures together and enjoy life that little bit more. So get out there into the green. This is Elli from Gone Gypsy signing off. See you next time.